G'day, V-Dubbed here, and how you doing? Today's video is about exterior items on V-Dubbed, and I hope you enjoy. So this video is about some exterior items that I changed on V-Dubbed, just for a better look of the vehicle. So hope you enjoy, and let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree. So first up are the running boards. So from these shots you can see the old running boards were in really bad condition. The running boards were rusted, the rubber was actually coming off, and the trim pieces were also not looking great. A bit dented and damaged, and on the other side you can actually see there's a trim piece missing. So this is the running board, just taken off the vehicle, the original running board. You can see the trims coming off, you can see how rusted it is underneath, it's falling apart. Even the holes where it connects are falling apart. So it's really not in good condition. Still got a 10mm bolt stuck in where it was bolted up. On the other side, the rubber pad's coming off. It's just really not in good condition. It's falling apart and needs to be replaced. So this is the package with the new running boards in it. That's as we received it. All nicely wrapped in plastic. So they're aluminium running boards. Just taking them out of the plastic. You can see the ribs on them. Nice polished aluminium finish. And those are the tabs that you bolt to the front fender, the back fender. Those are the tabs down the side where it bolts to the heater channel. You can just see the indentations. Very clean, very shiny, great product. That's the two compared with each other, and you can just see the difference, new versus old. So this is the running boards fitted. You can see bolted to the front fender there. These are the bolts to the heater channel, 10mm bolts. Looking further back down the car, the jacking point, and the bolt at the back to the rear fender. So just zooming out, and that's the running board fitted. So moving on from the running boards, I also wanted to change the bumpers, and in these shots you can see the old original bumpers that the vehicle came with. It's the white chrome bumpers that had been sprayed black, and you can see the big brackets that the vehicle had to hold the bumpers. So I just needed to change those out. These are the bumpers that I fitted. I wanted T-bars for that California look, and I found these online, which I think I prefer to the T-bars, as it provides a bit of protection underneath the vehicle as well. So it's made out of tubing, which just is bent like that. It's got a nice sort of rounded finished off top, and then a plate that goes in where the old bumper stays used to be. All chromed, polished, and a very nice piece. So this is just now taking the old bumper stay off the vehicle. And you can see that's what they used to look like once the bumpers have been removed. You're left with this bumper stay, which needs to be removed. Oh, cameras all over the place. and it's held on with these three 13mm bolts at the back. That's the 13mm bolt with a washer. Just need to remove those three and that stay will come out. So that bumper bracket is loose now and it just slides out forwards. And you just pull it out from the front of the vehicle. The new T-bar is very similar, goes in the same way, just slot it in through the rubber grommet there. It's only got the two holes, and I'm replacing the bolts with new high tensile bolts. Same holes, 13mm bolts. Initial tightening is with a small socket wrench, just because it's easier to get in there and tighten up the bolts. And then later on you'll see I'm tightening it up with a much larger socket wrench just to get them tight. So one of the other items I wanted to change was the roof of the vehicle. This is the roof that came with the vehicle when I bought it. It's a canvasy roof that's with the windows are a bit scratched and opaque. The roof was a bit second-hand, a bit used, and so that's why I just wanted to change it out. So this is the new roof. It's made out of Umbrella material, which is the same as they make boat covers out of, which is fade resistant and stain resistant. So I got a boat cover maker to make this cover for me, and it came out really well. You can see the clears for the windows. You can see just that's the detail of material. Those are the press studs for where it ties onto the section above the windscreen. It's also got a Velcro seal there to stop the wind coming in the front of the car. It's got a double pocket there where the side window rolls up into, just so it makes a good weather seal when driving the vehicle. Then it's got press studs all around the back where that just gets attached to VW when it's on. Just looking again at the Velcro strip and the press studs. That's the whole top. It gives a mohair sort of look. So it's got a very nice look about it. Far more upmarket than the vinyl, at least I think so. These are the studs around the press studs around the back. So let me know if you agree in the comments. But I think it looks like a modern sports car's hood. Mirrors, old mirrors that were on the car. It's not in bad condition. See, that's the fitting, but it just didn't really suit the look of the vehicle, so I've changed them for billet aluminium mirrors. So this is what it looks like now with the bumpers installed. So it came out pretty well, and that's the whole vehicle. There it is with the running boards as well. Just moving out to this side, the other running board. That's with the new mirrors installed. And this is the hood. So fits nice and tight, keeps the water off. Same material as a boat, some umbrella material. And just coming around the back. Just looking at the vehicle. And just from a distance, that's what it looks like. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.